Welcome back guys to this Laravel video tutorials on routing. This is the section 2 of the routing video. We did introduction on Laravel routing, and Laravel routing is super easy. Okay, so in this video section we are going to continue exploring more Laravel routing. Okay, so let's go right inside and see what we have. So now this is what we have in our previous video. Alright, so I'm just going to copy it to save our time. Okay, I'll just copy and duplicate it severally. 1, 2 and 3. I think it's okay. So let's have something like this right here. In this place we'll have home, and then we'll say hi, this is home. Hi, this is home. And in this section I'll just write contacts, about, and here I'll just say hi, this is about, this is about. And in this section will be contact, yes, and then I can still say hi, this is contact, this is contact. Alright, so let's just go to the browser and see what we have. Home, about, and contact. Home. Alright, you can see it. About. So this routing is super easy. Okay, about, we should have the same thing. Hi, this is about, and contact. Hi, this is contact. Super easy, right? Yes. Okay. Alright, so right now let's just do something different. Let's see how we can add more parameters to some of these guys. So I'm going to change one of these routes, so something like posts. Okay, so you can say post, and I would like to add another parameter, so I can just use curly brace, and then I have an ID here, more like a variable, even though it's not a variable yet. So in this place I can just come right here and type this is posts, then I'll concatenate an ID. Okay, so I need to define this ID right here, ID, and then I'll use it right here. Okay, I'll just concatenate it right here. Oh, don't mind, I'll press okay, ID. So if I should save this and we go to the browser, we have ID. Oh, look at where I'm doing this. Beg your pardon, it's supposed to be here. This is posts ID. Yes. So I have can I remember it again? Posts, then I'll write an ID like 100, and let's see, you can say this is post 100. Okay, and we can also do something like this. Can also add another parameter to it, and we just need to put a slash right here and give it a name. Okay, name, and I can just come right here and then put a comma and write the name, define it, and I can also add it right here. Why am I going to the last? What's wrong with me? Alright, I can just give a space right here so that we have a space between them, and concatenate the name variable. And if I should go back to the browser, I'll need to add a name right there, like, okay, Web Ernest. Okay, so I should have it. Oh, I'm adding two parameters. It's supposed to be one. I think I have an error right there. Oh, what's wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? What happened? This is post this, and this is post that. Oh, okay. You see here, I have a straight, brackets, a brace instead of calling brackets. So I think that is the problem. So it should work. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I think it should work right now. So you can see, voila, this is post 100 Web Ernest. So this routing is super easy. Okay, so I just need to give it your time and see how we can manipulate it very well. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we'll continue from where we stop. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then hit that like button if you like my videos, and hit the notification so you can get notified in my subsequent video release. Alright, bye. Let's see you in the next video.